Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how to earn money with Suno AI. In order to do so, here we are in Suno AI, and if you have an account with Suno and you've been creating music and you're not sure what to do with it, well, the answer is DistroKid. If you go to distrokid.com, DistroKid, for a relatively small price, will blast your music out to different platforms. So it will send it out to Spotify, to YouTube Music, to Amazon Music, to a variety of platforms. And this is the best way to monetize your music. So if you have an account with Suno and you're not sure where to get started as far as making money on that, well, give DistroKid a look and see if it works right for you. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.